Good day, ma'am, sir. It's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. My name is Marie Claire Paminsan. I am 29 years old and I live in San Antonio, Rojas, Isabela, Philippines. I am a Methodist. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I am the 4th in my family. I am a college level. I have experience as a domestic helper in Singapore since 2023 to 2025. I serve 4 adults and 1 infant. My task there is to clean, do the laundry, iron clothes, cook, and take care of the child. I am a hardworking, quick learner, self-motivated, trustworthy, and a multitasker. Thank you for the opportunity that you're giving me. Looking forward to be a part of your family. Thank you.